let's make this fun 4x4 reindeer. It's got a little pom-pom nose on this side. On this side, it's got little half circle moons for the eyes, and it's got pipe cleaners for the antlers. I cut my 4x4 square, which is 3.5 inches long, and this board was pretty rough, so I sanded it a bit with 100 grit sandpaper. I made little reindeer face line drawings that are specifically for 4x4s. See the link around this video for where to get these holiday line drawings and a pack of carbon paper with this nice stylus to trace it. Then I painted using a reddish brown color on everything but the eyes, nose, and mouth, which will be different colors. For the second reindeer face, I got some half wooden balls to use as eyes, and I'm painting with an acrylic paint pen. I marked a spot at the center and then marked spots below it on each side at about the quarter point. Now, I don't think that has enough arc on it, so I marked the center point a little higher on the next one. This particular paint pen has a round edge and a straight edge, and I'm using the straight one. It's actually not easy to do on this rounded surface. Now I'm going to paint what will be the top of the eyes with the white pen. And it's nice that the black dried so quickly so that I could hold it as I painted. I think these pens are nice when you need to make straight lines, but I may use a brush for these rounded eyes next time. Now this is the same trace pattern that I used for face 1. And I only trace the bottom part of the eyes, as I'll be using the half moon wooden ball eyes on that part. See the link around this video for where to get these holiday line drawings. Okay, let's add those eyes and see if they work. And then this pom-pom nose, I think that's going to be so cute. Now I'll paint face 2 reddish brown on everything but the eyes and nose, as those are going to be glued on. And I can still see the mouth tracing through the paint. Now I'm drawing in the mouth with my paint pen. It's pretty easy to see through the brown paint. I forgot to record it, but I'm using a gun that has a high setting for the wood eyes, a low setting for the pom-pom nose, and glue sticks that are made for wood. I found these brown pipe cleaners and I twisted 2 of them together and bent them into antlers. And I'm using a hot glue gun on the low setting to hold them into place. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come on over and see me at heartwoodart.com and find out how to make more of these Christmas scrapwood pieces.